it's a Saturday morning over here. In most Nigerian homes, a lot of us like to take what we call PAP or akamu on Saturday mornings.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to always make the perfect PAP by following 3 very easy guidelines. So the first guideline is always ensure that your raw PAP is not cold or frozen, and never use cold or frozen water to make your initial PAP mix. The colder the initial mix, the more the possibility of your PAP turning out watery. So always bring out your raw PAP from the refrigerator prior to making the initial PAP mix, and ensure that the water you're going to use to make your initial PAP mix is at room temperature. So this is my defrozen raw PAP, and this is basically me trying to break down the large lumps of raw PAP into smaller lumps that will be easier to dissolve in water. The second guideline is the thicker your initial PAP mix is, the better. So add your water to your raw PAP in bits and ensure that your initial PAP mix is as thick as possible. Also ensure that you dissolve every single lump of raw PAP in water. Even the tiniest lumps should be dissolved. Ensure that you have a really smooth initial PAP mix. This is to prevent you from seeing tiny lumps of raw PAP when you finally prepare your final PAP. Yay! We finally achieved the perfect consistency of the initial PAP mix. It really shouldn't be too watery. Then comes the third and final guideline. Always ensure that the water you're going to be pouring into your initial PAP mix is boiling hot. This is to enable the initial PAP mix properly gelatinate to form your final PAP. As you're pouring the boiled water into the initial PAP mix, always be very watchful so that you notice when the mix has started to gelatinate, and then you know when to stop pouring more hot water so that you do not pour it in excess. Once you stop pouring the hot water, then stir the PAP vigorously for some time. This is to allow some of the steam that has been trapped in the PAP to go out, and then allow the PAP some time to form properly. If eventually the PAP turns out too thick, you can always add some more hot water and stir until you achieve your desired texture.
Akara is bean cake and Moima is bean pudding. So you can eat with any one of these things. You can also eat it with beans itself.
So this is the final result, guys. This is my desired PAP texture, and to me this PAP is just perfect. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that's my food.
Before longer we choke you, please. This is the end of my video. Let me eat in peace. I'm tired of doing all these things. So let me eat. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching up to this point.